How it spreads. The main way coronavirus is transmitted is from being within 6 feet of an infected person by breathing in droplets they have released through either coughing or sneezing. What about groceries? There is a possibility of you getting exposed to the virus if you picked up an orange or a cabbage that an infected person sneezed or coughed upon accidentally, followed by you touching your face. All it takes is a little negligence on our part. So what do we do now? Wash hands. Hence, make sure to wash your hands frequently even when you visit a grocery store. Remember, just to be on the safe side, do not touch vegetables and then touch your face. It is better to be safe than sorry. Fruits and veggies. After a few days, it is very tough to detect coronavirus on an apple or an eggplant that someone sneezed on. Odds are that you may not get it from the apple or eggplant, but even science is not 100% sure about that. Order online. Since grocery section is the most visited section of any store, the safest option would be to get your groceries delivered home, online, even if it's a few bucks more. If this is not an option, then visit the store when it is least crowded. If online is not an option, if you must go to the grocery store, then make sure to carry your own sanitizing wipes and make sure to wipe the grocery cart clean at any cost before using it. Precautions at the store. Only use a credit card or a debit card so that you don't have to hand over bills. Use your own pen to sign receipts. Use the Samsung Pay or Apple Pay so as to avoid pulling out your wallet completely at all in order to avoid infection. Sanitize food and tin cans. To be on the safe side, wipe down glass or can containers with disinfectant wipes. Also, wash your hands immediately after opening containers. Can you wash groceries with soap? No. Do not wash your veggies with soap or clean with disinfecting wipes. It could make your food toxic as soap is designed for washing hands, not food. Rinse and wash. Hence, soak your fresh produce in water, throw that water out and again rinse your produce thoroughly under running water before eating it or cooking it. Washing produce removes most of the contamination, but we are not taking it seriously and not taking the time to wash it well. Also, wash your hands with soap for at least 20 seconds. Make sure to take this seriously. Fruits with a peel. One more thing to keep in mind is foods with peels like oranges and pineapples. Because if the peel is contaminated, you risk getting infected as soon as you touch the peel and then touch your mouth. So wash your hands as soon as you touch the peel, just to be on the safe side. Food sharing. Do not eat or drink food that someone else bit into or drank into, as you might risk getting infected. You need to be extra cautious right now. People transmit their saliva into something they eat or drink into. So be on the watch out. Avoid direct handoff. Even though grocery delivery drivers practice hygiene measures, we have no way of ascertaining that. Arrange items to be delivered at the doorstep without any hand-to-hand contact. That is the safest way. Online tips. Practice tipping electronically over the app to avoid exposure. Also plan and order early, as you might have to end up waiting for your turn in the midst of high demand. Curbside pickup. If you are planning on picking up pre-packaged groceries at many of the Walmart locations, then open the car door yourself in order to avoid the person handing over the groceries to you touch your car door, to avoid any contamination and to protect yourself from getting infected. According to FDA and European Food Safety Authority, currently there is no evidence of food being associated with the transmission of COVID-19. However, coronavirus can survive on surfaces and objects and spread through surface contact. Also, please don't take this lightly, take it very seriously as this is a unique virus where some people might carry the virus and they may not have any effects, but it might transmit to somebody else. So be very mindful and serious about that, and do whatever you can to protect yourself and your family, and follow these guidelines to sanitize yourself, to wash your hands, to clean your hands, to pick out any packages that someone delivered. Before you pick those packages, try to sanitize those packages and be extremely cautious about that. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you like the content, give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe.